Turn homemade chicken wings into a beautiful meal. Sweet and sour, taste nice and delicious. Thaw chicken wings, rinse lightly, dry with paper towel. Add some black pepper in sesame oil. Add some parsley. Put these on chicken wings. Apply evenly. Add chopped garlic. This time I will make this dish with the taste of orange. Use a peel knife to cut out the orange part of the orange peel, which is used to add aroma. Never use the white part orange peel, or it will be bitter. Add orange peel to honey. Spread the honey mixed with orange peel on the chicken wings. Add some garlic salt. Slice the orange. Oranges should be red oranges, which taste sweeter and look better. I chose red oranges from Australia. Add some orange juice to the chicken wings. Wrap in plastic wrap and leave for 2 hours. Add olive oil before roasting. Put the sliced oranges on the baking dish. Put it piece by piece. Put chicken wing on the orange piece. Chicken wings can be placed in the oven. Put in a preheated 200-degree oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, chicken wings have been roasted until slightly golden brown. Then turn the other side of the chicken wing. Add some orange jam. Spread the jam evenly on the chicken wings. Prepare herbs. This time I use rosemary. Cut in half. Put rosemary on top of chicken wings. Bake for another 15 minutes. Add some butter. Bake for another 15 minutes. Crispy golden chicken wings come out. Then prepare the side dishes. Put the washed purple kale. Add the sliced orange. Put on delicious chicken wings. It feels so fresh. Add sweet canned orange. Put rosemary. Cut the tomato in half and put it on the plant. Put orange sauce on the dish. Slowly and carefully, place the sauce along the plate. Make a fruit punch. Healthy, with great taste. Please like and share our channel, A Pour Simple Cooking Art. Let's make some simple, affordable and beautiful dishes.